Hi all, today we are going to see about chemical bonding. So already we have seen about ionic bond. So today's session is about covalent bond. So covalent bond is nothing but sharing of electrons. So sharing of electrons is between, for example, if the bonding is between hydrogen atoms. When two hydrogen atoms binds together. So when the bonding takes place between the hydrogen, we know hydrogen has one electron. So each hydrogen has one electron. So when it shares its electron, this becomes duplet. So over here, by sharing electron, an atom has to attain the electronic configuration of neighboring noble gas element. But hydrogen has one electron in the outermost shell and it has only one electron too, so that it attains the electronic configuration of helium, because helium has two electrons in the outermost shell. So that's why it attains duplet. So only hydrogen can attain duplet by sharing electron. So that we can say hydrogen bond hydrogen. So single bond. If the bonding is between hydrogen and chlorine, so hydrogen has one electron in the outermost shell and chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So chlorine needs one more to become octet, because chlorine's electronic configuration is 287. This needs one more to become octet so that it attains the electronic configuration of argon. So chlorine needs one, so it shares one. So by sharing one, it gains from hydrogen 1, so that this has 8 electron in the outermost shell. And hydrogen attains the electronic configuration of duplet by sharing 1 electron from chlorine. So over here, hydrogen attains the electronic configuration of helium, so that's the neighboring noble gas element, and chlorine attains the electronic configuration of argon, so that's the neighboring noble gas element. Over here, the bonding between the hydrogen and chlorine is H bond Cl, single covalent bond. It's a single bond. So for example, if it is a bonding between oxygen molecule O2, when you say O2, oxygen has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So its electronic configuration is 2, 6, so that it needs 2 electrons to become octet. So that by gaining 2, this becomes 2, 8, which is an electronic configuration of neon, which is a neighboring noble gas element. So as I said, oxygen has 6 electrons in the outermost shell, and that needs 2 more electrons to become octet. So if it wants 2 electrons, this will share 2 electrons. So if the bonding is between 2 oxygen atom, then the other oxygen also has 6 electron, right? So this also needs 2, so that also shares 2. So over here, so each oxygen atom shares 2 electrons, so that if you see this attains the electronic configuration of neon. So the outermost shell has 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you see this oxygen, again this has 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So this becomes octet, so that it's stable. So the bonding between the oxygen atoms are O double bond O. So the bonding is double bond. If you take nitrogen, so that it's easy to understand single bond, double bond and triple bond. So if it's a nitrogen which is a 5th group element which has 5 electrons in the outermost shell, and this is the atomic number 7. So that 2, 5 is a simple electronic configuration. So this has 5 electron in the outermost shell, so that this needs 3 more electron to become octet. If it needs 3 more electron, this will share 3 electrons. So if it needs 1, this shares 1 electron. If it needs 2, this shares 2. If this needs 3, this shares 3 electrons. So the other nitrogen atom also has 5 electrons in the outermost shell, that also shares 3. So now if you see this nitrogen, 6 electrons, 7, 8. So 8. So this attains the electronic configuration of neon now, right? Which is a neighboring noble gas element. Yeah. So if you see this nitrogen, this has 8 electron. So this is how, by sharing electron. So over here the bonding between nitrogen is triple bond, because each nitrogen shares 3 electrons. That is why triple bond. Over here each oxygen shares 2 electrons. That is why double bond. Over here each element, each atom shares 1 electron. So single bond. This is what covalent bond, children. So we'll see coordinate bond in the next session. Tata, bye bye.